Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're like me and sometimes you just need a little protection from the sun, then you need this beautiful Canopy umbrella from AMMSUN. This umbrella is perfect for us when we take it to the park, but I also love that I can use it in my own backyard. We have an extremely sunny deck, but within minutes using this umbrella, I can provide the perfect shady play area for my son. This gives him a cool, safe place to play. We personally love to use this umbrella with a small umbrella base, but it can also be used without the base. It does have a nice pointed end, which allows you to stick it into the ground if you are somewhere where you have that capability. This umbrella is a 6-foot umbrella, and I love that it's adjustable height too. So whether we're doing something where we need it a little bit raised or a little bit lower to the ground, I have the ability to do that simply by twisting and adjusting the knob. I'm about 5'2" or so, and if I have this umbrella fully adjusted all the way to the top, there is plenty of space underneath it. It provides a nice round covering of shaded area, which allows us to stay cool and still enjoy the outdoors. Another awesome feature is this umbrella is able to tilt. So if you need just a little tilt to the side, which we have needed on several occasions, this umbrella does that for us. This Canopy umbrella from AMMSUN is a summer must-have. I really love the portability, durability, and of course, the shaded coverage that it provides. And that's just my point of view.